What's up, creatives, and welcome to another Romeo show. Today we are going to be going through my last week's commission piece, how I got on with that, a few of my designs, my new book upload, and also we are going to be doing our motivation of the week quote for you as well. So what were you waiting for? Let's roll intro. How is everybody? How are you all doing? Hope we have had a good week and good weekend. If you're new to the show, my name is Romeo. I am a sketch and motivational artist, uploading art therapy videos on a Wednesday, how-to videos on a Tuesday, along with a motivational quote for you to get you through the week and help to inspire and motivate you. So a couple of weeks ago, I was set a bit of a challenge where I was to draw a portrait for someone. They gave me the picture for me to draw, and they wanted it done before Father's Day, which was on Sunday. And usually these commissions normally take me a good couple of weeks because I have my other things that I'm doing. I'll be making I'll be making like t-shirt designs, or I'll be doing my book and things like that. So I'm always sort of keeping myself busy. So that was a bit of a challenge for me to do, and we managed to do it within 7 days. I had managed to complete the full portrait. The video is up on my Instagram if you want to have a little look at the little process that I went through into drawing this portrait. It was absolutely brilliant to do. I'm going to be carrying on. Obviously, I'm going to be doing more commission pieces. The books are open. If you would like a commission piece done, you can email me at romeo@romeosketches.co.uk if you would like a commission done for yourself or for a friend. They make great gifts. I'm going to be also now doing some more. Now that I've got a bit of time on my hands now, I'll probably be doing some more speed art drawings as well. If you've not seen any of my speed art drawings, you can check out the playlist. Just click the link that's just above there, and you can see all the other sketches that I have previously done of Mike Tyson, the Mandalorian, a pair of lips, and lots of other drawings on there that I've been creating. But there's going to be some new ones coming up. I've got some new ideas, some fresh ideas that I want to be drawing, so keep your eyes open for those coming out very soon. And going on to my designs, so last week I uploaded a few more designs. These are trending designs, still coming up with a few more things to be doing on the old Redbubble store, coming up with new ideas, some new trend ideas. These are the, well, you can see at the bottom here are some of the designs that I previously uploaded. So if you're into any of those things, you can check out any of my stuff. You can find all my products on my Redbubble store, and you can find them on mugs, t-shirts, phone covers, shower curtains, masks, and lots more. I've also uploaded my latest book as well. I've got quite a few books in my collection now coming along. I've got quite a few more books to do this week. Here are some of the examples of some of the book covers that I've been doing. They're scrolling up along the side here. If you want to check out any other books, you can click onto the link that's in the description. Check out my website. That will lead you onto my Amazon store where you can purchase all of my books, any of my books. Some of my best-selling ones are my How to Draw a Mandala book. This is a very good book if you want to be drawing your mandalas and follow along to any of my mandala drawings that I upload on a Wednesday. Also, one of my bestsellers is the It's Not Just Motivational on Monday Mood Tracker Diary book for you as well. In this book, you can write down day-to-day, all your day-to-day things, anything that you are thinking about, anything that's on your mind that's troubling you. And you can also write down any of your goals and achievements in here, along with some breathing exercises and some art therapy drawings, which you can follow along to the art therapy drawings that I do on this show. You can follow along using that book to any of my drawings. There's also a playlist for my Zentangle patterns as well, which you will find in the description also. And yes, moving on to today's art therapy session, we are going to be drawing this very nice pattern here, a bit of a shell looking pattern it is. We're going to be drawing this baby right here. So grab your book, grab your pen, pencils, blending stumps, erasers, and let's get down to it. And how was that video for you guys? Hope you enjoyed the video. Give us a like if you did. Hit us up on the comments below as well, what you are thinking of these videos, how they are affecting you. Are you enjoying them? Relaxing to them? You don't have to draw. You don't have to sit there and draw any more videos. You can just sit there and relax and watch them as well. A lot of people tend to do that. Very soothing and very therapeutic for you to watch as well. And today's quote is, have goals that are beyond your comfort zone. In order to do something that you have not done, you're going to have to become that person that you have not been. And that's being a risk taker. This card said, if you're not willing to risk, you cannot grow. And if you cannot grow, you cannot become your best. And if you cannot become your best, you cannot be happy. And folks, if you cannot be happy, then what else is there? Brilliant little quote that, brilliant little saying. Something that I aspire to. So pretty much meaning, if you have big goals and dreams and you want to achieve them, you're going to have to get rid of those namesayers that are putting you down, not following you, not helping you, not pushing you in the right direction. You want to lead and live the life of luxury, the life of happiness that you want to achieve. You have to become a completely different person. You've got to change that person that you are, which could be meaning moving away from friends and people that are holding you back, that are not pushing you in the right direction. And this is exactly what I heard from Les Brown. It was the wise words that I heard from him when I was in my downtime, when I was struggling, when I was going through a very dark period in my life. And I listened to these words, I listened to his quote, I listened to what he was saying, and it really did make sense. It hit a home run for me, it did, and it completely changed my life. You see, at the end of the day, I had to see and become the person that I was not before I became the person that I am. If you want to know more about this story of mine, there is a video that I did of drawing a portrait of Les Brown. Just click that link that's in the top there and you'll be able to see that video as well and see some of the journey that I came through, some of the struggles that I went through as well, while also watching a video of me drawing a picture of Les Brown too. And that's the end of the show, folks. Thank you all again for watching. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button, click that bell and turn on notifications so you know when I upload a new video. My name is Romeo. This is Romeo Sketches, signing off. Peace out.